The rise of artificial intelligence has become one of the most defining developments in modern history. In offices, factories, schools, hospitals, and even homes, AI tools are rapidly reshaping how Americans work, communicate, and make decisions. From chatbots that assist customer service teams to algorithms that analyze patient data, AI's potential is vast, but so are its risks. As this technology evolves, the U.S. government and its agencies are working to define how to keep it safe, ethical, and beneficial for everyone. Across Washington, D.C., agencies and research centers are buzzing with activity. Behind sleek glass buildings and digital command centers, engineers, policymakers, and analysts are meeting to design frameworks that balance innovation with accountability. On large conference tables sit open laptops showing graphs of AI model outputs, screens filled with lines of code and reports highlighting bias detection and cybersecurity measures. The U.S. approach to AI safety is now one of the most comprehensive efforts in the world, aiming to guide both private and public sectors toward a responsible future. The foundation of this effort starts with the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. Known for its scientific precision, NIST has released guidelines for creating trustworthy AI systems. These frameworks define how developers can build AI tools that are transparent, explainable, and resilient against misuse. In practical terms, this means ensuring that the algorithms behind decision-making tools, such as facial recognition systems or financial risk analyzers, are tested for bias, fairness, and accuracy. Developers are encouraged to use NIST's AI Risk Management Framework, which helps organizations identify vulnerabilities before deploying AI models. This tool is a critical step toward ensuring the machines we build reflect human values rather than human flaws. At the federal level, the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, OSTP, has become a central hub for AI policy development. The office coordinates research, industry collaboration, and public awareness campaigns to promote the ethical use of AI. One of their most significant initiatives is the Blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights. This document outlines 5 core principles: protection from unsafe systems, freedom from algorithmic discrimination, data privacy, notice and explanation, and human alternatives. Each principle emphasizes that AI should serve the public interest, not undermine it. Imagine an engineer in a U.S. tech company reading through these guidelines, integrating them into an AI-powered hiring tool. On the monitor, a clean interface shows dashboards tracking bias levels and datasets, ensuring gender, race, and age neutrality. This is the kind of real-world application that these regulations are designed to encourage AI that is fair, transparent, and beneficial. Another critical player is the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The agency has taken an active role in monitoring how AI is being used in advertising, consumer analytics, and data collection. FTC's enforcement teams use advanced digital forensics tools to track unethical or deceptive uses of AI. Screens inside their cybersecurity labs display real-time data visualizations of algorithmic activity, red lines tracing suspicious network behaviors. Their mission is clear: to prevent AI from being used in ways that manipulate consumers or invade privacy. For technology companies, understanding these rules is crucial. Developers are now integrating privacy-preserving algorithms, encryption methods, and data anonymization techniques to stay compliant while maintaining innovation. In the defense and national security sector, the Department of Defense, DoD, and the Defense Advanced Research Projects, Agency DARPA, are leading AI research for safe deployment in critical environments. Their teams are designing AI models that can assist in logistics, reconnaissance, and cybersecurity while maintaining strict ethical oversight. Developers working on these systems use secure servers, powerful GPUs, and predictive modeling software to simulate real-world outcomes before deploying any AI into sensitive operations. Transparency reports are generated automatically, showing how AI reached its conclusions, ensuring accountability at every level. At the same time, the Department of Energy, DOE, and NASA are utilizing AI to optimize energy efficiency, climate modeling, and space exploration. Inside NASA's research labs, AI tools analyze terabytes of satellite data to detect climate shifts, track weather anomalies, and assist in space mission planning. Screens glow with satellite imagery, algorithmic heat maps, and data graphs, giving scientists a deeper understanding of environmental changes. The same technology that powers autonomous spacecraft is also being adapted to improve Earth-based energy grids, reducing carbon emissions and supporting clean technology innovations. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, is another major participant, regulating how AI can be used in healthcare and medical devices. Hospitals across the country now use FDA-approved AI tools that help radiologists detect tumors, predict patient outcomes, and manage diagnostics more efficiently. Doctors can view AI-assisted scans on high-resolution monitors, comparing human and machine evaluations in real time. This collaboration between technology and medicine is saving lives, but it requires rigorous testing to ensure patient safety. FDA guidelines now require that AI models used in medical settings undergo continuous validation, so they improve over time without introducing new errors. In the private sector, tech giants like Microsoft, Google, and IBM are partnering with federal agencies to shape AI safety standards. These companies have launched initiatives focused on responsible AI development, creating open-source tools for fairness testing and model interpretability. For example, developers use platforms like Google's What If tool or Microsoft's FairLearn to visualize how their algorithms treat different demographic groups. Realistic office settings show teams analyzing datasets on large digital screens, adjusting parameters to reduce bias, and exporting reports to share with regulators and partners. These technologies ensure AI isn't a black box but a transparent, auditable system. Education and workforce development are also central to the U.S. approach. The Department of Education has begun integrating AI literacy into school curricula and workforce training programs. Students are learning how AI works, its ethical implications, and how to use it responsibly. Picture a modern classroom with large interactive whiteboards displaying diagrams of neural networks, students coding on laptops, and teachers explaining how AI can assist in everything from design to data science. By investing in AI education, the government aims to prepare the next generation for jobs that haven't yet been invented. Meanwhile, the National Science Foundation, NSF, funds research on trustworthy AI systems, supporting universities and laboratories that are building innovative safety tools. Researchers in lab coats stand before clusters of powerful servers, monitoring training processes of AI models designed for transparency and security. NSF's grants support open collaboration between academia, industry, and government, creating a diverse ecosystem of innovation focused on responsible AI. Public involvement is also a major part of the conversation. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce, advocacy groups, and think tanks are organizing forums where developers, policymakers, and citizens discuss the impact of AI on society. In these conferences, people gather around modern digital screens displaying interactive data visualizations of AI usage across industries. The dialogue revolves around how to ensure AI serves the public good while maintaining innovation. This open exchange of ideas helps shape more inclusive policies. Cybersecurity remains one of the most critical aspects of AI regulation. Agencies like the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, and the National Security Agency, NSA, are working to secure AI systems from external threats. Engineers in darklit rooms monitor real-time dashboards showing potential cyberattacks and anomalies in AI networks. By implementing secure AI protocols, they're ensuring that critical systems from power grids to financial networks remain safe from manipulation or hacking. Developers are being trained to use encrypted frameworks and AI monitoring tools to detect and respond to vulnerabilities instantly. The broader goal of U.S. AI regulation is to encourage innovation while minimizing harm. By setting safety standards early, the country hopes to avoid the pitfalls that come with unregulated technological growth. This means supporting startups, providing grants for ethical AI research, and ensuring that innovation benefits all citizens. Entrepreneurs developing new AI tools now have access to funding programs through agencies like the Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) program. These initiatives help small teams turn promising prototypes into real-world solutions that meet federal safety standards. In the workplace, AI is improving productivity through automation, but regulation ensures it doesn't replace human judgment. Many companies now use AI to streamline administrative tasks, analyze large datasets, and forecast market trends. On modern desks, dual-monitor setups display dashboards filled with analytics charts, graphs of sales patterns, and predictive models highlighting future demand. Workers collaborate with these tools rather than compete against them, gaining efficiency without losing human insight. As these systems evolve, one of the most pressing goals is transparency. Ultimately, the U.S. is trying to lead by example in the global conversation on AI ethics. The combination of government policy, academic research, and corporate innovation aims to build a foundation where AI works for the people, not against them. Every regulation, every framework, and every technological safeguard moves the country closer to a future where AI enhances life while protecting rights. For everyday citizens, understanding these efforts is essential. AI already influences daily life from search results and social media feeds to traffic management and digital assistance. Knowing how it's regulated helps users make informed choices about the tools they use. By supporting responsible innovation, consumers benefit from safer, more efficient, and more ethical technologies. In the years ahead, the United States will continue refining its approach as AI becomes even more integrated into society. The balance between innovation and oversight will remain delicate, but necessary. The mission is clear: to create a future where artificial intelligence supports human potential while safeguarding the principles of fairness, transparency, and security that define a free and responsible society.